How to buy CATF, the cat father token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. If you don't have an account, you just go and create one. And as you can see, this token is increased by 3000% in the last 24 hours. And the liquidity here are 99% locked. That means your investment in the safe place. This token is came under Solana network, and the best choice to buy this kind of token that came under Solana network is by using the Phantom wallet. Now click here to copy the token address and open your Phantom wallet and click here on swap. After that, make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet and click here and paste the token address. After that, select the token. Now enter here how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is how much you will receive that token. And here select the provider, for example, Jupiter or OKX. And after that, read all of that information and click on swap, and you will be redirected to OKX provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issues, just go back to this page, switch the slip hash from here or custom it. After that, you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the CATF token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.